National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, southeastern Cook County in north-central Texas, southern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sanger, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Frisco, Denton, Allen, Sherman, Sanger, Whitesboro, Prosper, Anna, Salina, Melissa, Pilot Point, Van Alstyne, Howe, Aubrey, Krugerville, Collinsville, Whitewright, Crossroads, and Gunter. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 473 and 486. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.